Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to talk you about a new TRX mining website. This website is very special. I give you all information about this website. Please watch this video complete so I can explain all the information about this website. Now friends, you can see that I open this TRX source dot today. This is the domain of this website, and there are some steps to enter in the website. First you need to follow these all informations and so friends, let's start the video. Before starting, I explain you how to register in this website. For registration the website, you need to follow these steps. Please enter your account and please enter password. Please enter fund password. You need to enter your account number such as your mobile phone number. Please enter password. Here you need to put your password. Please enter the fund password. You need to put your here the fund password. I fill all information and enter into the website and give you other explanation such as friends my number is 0309551593, and in the down you can see that this is a password options where I need to put my password such as my password I put here and show you the informations about this. Here friends, you can see that I put all information I need. Only click on registered. Friends, you can see that I click on registered and the login password cannot be same. You need to change it, and friends you can say here I change my password because I cannot set both the password same. Now I click on registered and you can see that I registered successfully and in a loading, and you can see that I redirecting to the website. You can see that here I need to put a password, put my mobile number and please enter your password. Here I put my all information and enter into the website. Here friends, you can see that I entered into the website. First I need to click on a save button so my password be saved. Announcement and income introduction. If you have any question, please contact the official staff. Due to large number of users, it is recommended to join the Telegram community consultation in the online customer services consultations. The Telegram community is that, WhatsApp is that, and friends in the down you can see that the basic pilot investment rate of return is as follow, and the investment amount is calculated cumulatively when the total accumulated investment reaches more. And friends in the down you can see that then 5 USD the daily basic withdrawal amount is 3.3% when the total accumulated investment exceeded 1000 USD. The basic wallet and the basic daily basic withdrawal is 3.7% when the total accumulated investment reaches more than 5000 USD. The daily basic withdrawal is 4.3% when the accumulated total investment reaches more than 10,000 USD. The daily basic withdrawal limit is 4.7. And in the done friends you can see that 5, and now I close this. Here friends, you can see that I entered in the website. The website does not provide a registration reward because this website is very real. You need to invest in this website for earning. The website name is sources. You can see that here these are the icon of this website. Such as first is change of language option. Here you can use it for changing the language, such as I can click on it and change the website language into many different languages. And this is the notification option that are the announcement you can check here from by using this feature. Now you can see that friends I are describe you the services, and now I go back. And friends you can see that now I go back and you can see that I click cancel. These are the customer services, and friends in the down you can see that deposit option, withdrawal option, share option, team option, sign out options. And friends I give you a complete review. Please watch the video complete. Deposit option and withdrawal option I describe you at the end. First you need to watch the video complete, then I explain you this. Now friends I click on share option. The share option is very necessary. Invite your content or friends and get rewarded. Refer and rewarded, get rewarded, share your referral link and start earning. Friends, there you can see that I need to copy this link and share with my friends, and my friends invest in this website. I need to get a registration reward. Now friends, you can see that I go back here and you need to click on it. Friends, here you can see that this is the team option. You need to click on a team option to check you how much you have team in level 1, in level 2 and others. You can also check your team in this portions. Now friends, I go back here from this portion. You can see that I go back here and you need that this is sign out option that is not important. In the down you can see that a basic and earning. This is a basic count and earning count. This website occur in USDT and contain USDT. Join to be a drone millionaire. Use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all the users get the most USDT income. And friends, in the down you can see that these are the membership of this website, that they are the accumulated profit of this website. About us, we are at our bus cloud mining of a potentially cost effective way to mine Bitcoin, USDT and other cryptocurrencies. And friends, in the down you can see that these are the global partner of the website, this website that are supporting this website for recharging and depositing of TRX. Now friends, I click on a trading option to show you how much this website provides you trading. This website provides you a 3.3% USDT use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all these users get the most revenue. And friends, you can see that I click on a view all. You can see that these you can see that how much you have earned a profit by using this website, but I do not earn because I joined this website. Now I go back here. You can see that I go back. Now I click on invest option. This portion is very necessary. Here you need to invest your USDT and get interest rate and get the earning. Friends, you can see that there are many types of package you can invest in this website, and I click on a share option. This portion I already described you. This portion is very necessary. Invite your content or friends and get rewarded. Refer and get rewarded. Share your refer links. You need to click on a copy link and share it with friends. Now friends, I click on a mine option. This portion is also very necessary. You can get many types of information such as the basic account top of 5 USDT, activate the account and turn on the withdrawal functions. Friends, you can see that these are the many portions, but I describe you how to deposit in this website. In this website, you need to deposit the TRX, not you need to deposit in this website USDT. Now, friends, I click on a deposit option here. You can see that investment is divided into two more: transfer to basic account or transfer to recharge or the earning account. Recharge to the basic account and according to Singapore time zone every day and receive benefits. Charge to the promotion account, you can receive income in different cycle and return the principal and income upon when it expires. Now friends, I recommend my all viewers and subscribers, please invest in the basic account. Now as you can see that I click on a basic account. Here you can see that I click on a basic account. I need to only click on a copy address. After clicking on address, please do not deposit other non USDT TRC20 as it takes about 5 to 10 minutes after the recharge to arrive. If you have not received your account for a long time, please refresh this page. Now copy this address, and now I go back to my trust wallet to show you how to invest in this website. I have a 5 USDT to show you how to invest in this website. Now I click on send option. I paste my address here. Now I select my 5 USDT as this, and now you can see that I click on a send options. Hello friends, you can see that I click on a confirm option to send him the TRX such as USDT, and you can see that my transaction are in a pending. Now I wait for a few minutes so my transaction successfully sent to the account. You can see that friends, my transaction are in a pending. Now I wait for a few minutes so it sent successfully to my account. And now I go back to my address of this website such as my address this, and you can see that my amount sent successfully. You need to minimum deposit 5 USDT. Now I click on recharge completed, and you can see that the submission is successful. If it is not arrived for a long time, you need to please remember it. And you can see that I wait for a few minutes so my basic wallet receive account, and you can see that I receive a 5 USDT instantly in my account. Now I'm going to describe you how to take a withdrawal from this website. You need to click on a withdrawal option. After clicking on a withdrawal, you need to first enter your withdrawal limit. Now you can see that I here refresh, so I check you, and now I go to the trading options. Here friends, you can see that my total amount are mining in. I wait for a complete arrival of this USDT. Now friends, for withdrawal option, you need to click on a withdrawal, and you can see that here you can check your daily amount. Enter your withdrawal amount, bind address. How you can bind address? Here you need to click on add address. Please enter a USDT address. You need to go back to your trust wallet to show you how to bind address. You need to click on a copy this address. Now I click to paste here friends. You can see that I remove my number from this portions. Now I paste my this, and now I click on add options. USDT binding successfully. Now I need to put my withdrawal limit is, but I have no amount here because I join and invest in this website. Now it will become after 24 hours, and after filling all information, you need to click only submit. After you can submit it. I hope friends you like this video, and I'll subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.